Welcome to the BodyViz channel. Here, you will find real 3D anatomy visualizations to help anatomy instructors and students. Follow our channel to see real patient case examples and anatomy explanations with our BodyViz Brain Builder playlist that is always expanding with new topics and diagnoses. Students can use these videos to help understand anatomy concepts and clinical situations. We encourage instructors to use these videos in their courses and send them to students as lecture and study aids. Our channel also features updates of our 3D anatomy virtual dissection software and interactive anatomy learning content. With BodyViz, you can virtually dissect the real anatomy of thousands of actual patients. BodyViz converts MRI and CT scans of real humans and animals into 3D visualizations that can be cut, colored, annotated, and more. To learn more about BodyViz, go to our website at bodyviz.com. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to see what is the latest with 3D anatomy.